Welcome to physics class. Dear student, today we will discuss about the coherence of the light or coherent sources. So basically coherence refer to the ability of light ray to travel closely packed in a straight line and parallel in the beam. That means if two rays are closely packed in straight line and parallel in a beam, then we can say these rays are in coherence. Okay, the light ray hold together and seem to coherence, making what we usually call a sunbeam. Okay, that is these are the some examples of the coherence are the sunbeams. It seem to be are the straight line traveling beams. That means if we opening the some part of the roof, then the sunlight's coming from straight to the ground. Then we can say that the light are incoherent. We can say these are the some we can say light are incoherent. That means the light rays are traveling in a straight line with each other. Okay, so these are the some examples of the some are the coherent. We can say it is the coherence of the light waves. Okay, so these are the this is the also is an example of the coherence, and these the also of the examples of the coherence. Now another examples of the coherence, the laser instrument is a great coherent the source of the light. It minimum diverges from the constant diameter of the beam over a long distance. Now another example is the your car's headlight. In the fog you are seeing the lights are traveling in straight lines. These are the another examples of the coherence of the light rays. These are also examples of coherence of the light rays. So these are the some real time examples of the coherence of the light. Now theory, what is the coherence? In theory, coherent sources, which sources are said to be coherent? The source of the light which emit continuous light wave of the same wavelength, same frequency, and in the same phase difference. That means the source of light which emits light of the wave, same wavelength, same frequency, and in same phase difference are called the coherent sources. The condition of the coherent light is obtained coherent light is two sources should be made of the single source or by the same device. The two source should keep monochromatic light. That means the light must have the monochromatic, that means single wavelength. The path difference between the light wave from two sources should be small. That means the path difference of the light waves must be a small path difference. Okay, now ordinary light is generally is incoherent light, and laser light are the coherent light, because later laser light have the single wavelength, and it's travel along the uh, with the same phase difference. So in general, ordinary light is a incoherent light, and laser light is a coherent light. These are the also example of the coherent light. If the bulb is generating the incoherent rays, and if we make a pinhole, and after passing the pinhole, these light may be spatial coherent, and if we filtered these spatial coherent rays with the wavelength filters, then the light ray, then the rays passing from the wavelength filters will be said to coherent waves. These are also the some examples of the coherent wave, and coherent wave are look like these wave. Now coherent light, coherent, what are the coherent light? What is the coherent light and how it is travel? Coherent light are the waves that are in phase with one another. That means both rays are in phase. For example, two waves are coherent if the crest of one wave are aligned with the crest of the other waves. Like in our diagram, the crest of the one wave is aligned with the crest of the other wave, and sort of the waves are also aligned with the sort of the other wave, through of the other waves. Otherwise, the light say incoherent. If the crest or throw is not aligned, then the light is say incoherent. These are the some also. Sunlight is incoherent light, and LED light is partially coherent. Means we can say if generate a LED light is generate a monochromatic light, and wave are not in phases. That means LED light is generated monochromatic light, but it is not a coherent light because the waves is not in phases. So these are the not non-coherent light. But laser light, one color, that means one more wavelength, and in phase. That means in phase light, laser light generates one wavelength light, and also in phase wave are the coherent wave. Now the types of the coherence is the two types. First is the temporal coherence, and another is the spatial coherent. The temporal coherent measure the continuity of a wave along its length. That means how a wave is coherence is measure how a wave is coherent in length is measured from the temporal coherence. And spatial coherent measure the maximum separation between any 2 points on the cross section of a wavefront, which maintain the correlation between them. That means if we make a cross section and we allow to passing the wave, then spatial coherent will be measure how long these wave are coherent. That means with the time how long these wave are coherent, and after this these are in incoherent wave. Okay, so in temporal coherent, the length, the measure in the length form, and the spatial coherent in measure in the uh, in from a cross section or with the time, in a with the time. So these are the two types of the coherent: temporal coherent and spatial coherent. Okay, thank you.